Lum, 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 lum.
In this video, we're exploring a simple yet powerful way to ease anxiety and feel more grounded through root chakra meditation. This practice is designed to help you reconnect with your body, calm your mind, and create a deeper sense of safety and stability within yourself. The root chakra is the first chakra in the body, also known as Muladhara. It is located at the base of the spine and is connected to the earth element. Its color is deep red, and it represents your foundation, your sense of security, balance, and connection to life. Because the root chakra is closely connected to the physical body, anything that increases body awareness can help strengthen it. Physical activities such as walking, yoga, martial arts, tai chi, sports, or even simple daily tasks like gardening, house cleaning, washing dishes, or cleaning your car can help you feel more grounded. The key is to stay connected to your body without pushing yourself too hard. Exhaustion does not create balance. Gentle and steady practice is always better. Even meditation, which may seem still and quiet, can strengthen the root chakra by helping you become more aware of your body and your connection to the present moment. The root chakra is all about feeling connected to the ground beneath you. Think about common expressions like standing on firm ground or getting back on your feet. These phrases reflect stability and balance. On the other hand, expressions like losing ground or being swept off your feet can describe what it feels like when we are emotionally unsettled or disconnected. Sometimes, when the root chakra feels blocked, people even describe feeling ungrounded, as though they are not fully present in their body. Words also affect our mindset and energy. Choosing supportive, positive words can help reinforce feelings of stability and calm. Now let's move into a few simple grounding exercises. First, stand upright in a relaxed position. Place your feet about shoulder width apart and slightly bend your knees. Rest your hands gently on your hips if that feels comfortable. Shift your pelvis slightly forward and make sure your weight is evenly balanced across both feet. Now imagine your body sinking gently downward, as if your feet are connecting deeply into the earth. Hold this posture for a few minutes while breathing slowly and naturally. Then relax. You can repeat this exercise up to 3 times, but don't overdo it. Another helpful practice is gently contracting the muscles between the anus and the genitals, sometimes called the root lock exercise. As you inhale, gently contract these muscles inward for just 2 or 3 seconds. As you exhale, relax them completely. Repeat slowly and gently for a few minutes. Never force or strain the muscles. This exercise can be done while sitting, standing, or walking. Now, let's begin a simple root chakra meditation. Sit comfortably with your spine upright and your feet flat on the floor. Let your shoulders relax. If you'd like, you can place your hands in a gentle mudra by touching the thumb and index finger together. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to the base of your spine. Imagine a warm, glowing red light there. With each slow breath, see this red light becoming brighter, steadier, and stronger. As you exhale, softly chant the sound Lam. Allow the vibration to move through your lower body naturally and gently. At the same time, as you inhale, gently contract the muscles between the anus and genitals. As you exhale, relax them completely. Repeat this process slowly 7 times. Be gentle with your body and never strain. Now bring in a simple affirmation. Silently or aloud. Repeat words that help you feel supported and grounded. I am safe and grounded. I am calm and secure. I trust life and feel supported. Choose whichever affirmation feels natural to you. The feeling behind the words is more important than saying them perfectly. With regular practice, root chakra meditation can help reduce stress, improve emotional balance, increase focus, and strengthen your connection to yourself. Over time, you may begin to feel more steady, centered, and resilient in daily life. This practice is meant to support your well-being, but it is not a replacement for professional medical or mental health care when needed. The benefits grow gradually through patience and consistency. And as you continue this journey, here's something to reflect on. When you truly feel grounded, safe, and secure within yourself, what becomes possible in your life from that place? Thank you so much for watching and spending this time with me. I hope this practice helped you feel a little more grounded, calm, and connected within yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected for more guided chakra meditations and spiritual wellness practices. In our next video, we'll continue the journey by exploring Swadhisthana, the sacral chakra, the energy center connected to emotions, creativity, pleasure, and flow. Until then, take care of yourself, stay grounded, and keep breathing gently. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.